Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo on your Framer website. Whether you're rebranding, updating your design, or simply want a fresh look, swapping out your logo in Framer is a straightforward process that can instantly transform your site's appearance. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Framer dashboard, where all your projects are stored and ready to be edited. From the dashboard, locate and click on the project where you want to change the logo. This opens up your website in the Framer editor, giving you full access to all the design elements and layers that make up your site. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Layers. This panel shows you the structure of your website, and from here you'll want to click on Desktop. This ensures you're working with the desktop version of your site, which is typically where your main navigation and logo are housed. Next, you'll need to locate your navigation section on the website. This is usually at the top of your page where your logo is placed. Double-click on your navigation or directly on the logo area itself. This action will select the navigation component and allow you to drill down into its contents. Once again, on the left side panel, click on Desktop to make sure you're viewing the correct breakpoint settings. Then find and click on Logo. This selects the specific logo element within your navigation, isolating it so you can make changes without affecting other parts of your design. Now shift your attention to the right side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. Look for the section labeled Fill. Right beside Fill, you'll see an option that says Image. Click the X next to the current image to remove your existing logo. Don't worry, this won't delete anything permanently, it just clears the space for your new logo. After removing the old image, click on Add. This opens up the option to upload a new image. Go ahead and click Choose Image, which will prompt you to browse your computer files. Select your new logo file and upload it. Make sure your logo is in a suitable format like PNG or SVG for the best quality and transparency support. Once your new logo is uploaded and looks good on your website, it's time to make it live. Head up to the upper right corner of the screen and click Publish. This will push your changes to your live website, and your new logo will now be visible to all your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the logo on your Framer website, giving your site a fresh, updated look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.